Yeah, go ahead, it's all right, sure. I clap for them too, because with our dealers, we're gonna sell a whole bunch of these babies. Now listen, the 4th generation design of this highly influential SUV sports a new, chiseled look based on the TNGA-K platform, which gives it even greater performance and comfort and safety than ever before. Built on the well-known foundation that Highlander owners have come to know and to trust, the new model takes a dramatic design direction, combining a powerful SUV presence with sophisticated detailing. Now, we've worked hard to retain the vehicle's hallmark ease of maneuverability and parking, but it adds space where it's needed. It's about 2.5 inches longer than before, and every bit of that has been added to the wheelbase to improve interior comfort and versatility. The entry-level grades have an array of great features such as smart key entry, LED headlamps, fog lamps, and 8-way powered driver's seat, and so much more. Now, if you bump up to the limited and platinum grades, it gets even a little bit better. The limited gets upgrades like a hands-free power back door and premium projector headlamps, while the platinum grade offers an all-new 12.3-inch touchscreen display, a Toyota first, and the largest in its segment. Now, the blue-gray, the hue here, you can see to my right, is our newest color, named Moon Dust. Exactly, right? Moon Dust. And all the new interior for the platinum grade is called Glazed Caramel. Don't you love the names? They're the best. Now, this mid-size SUV also brings function to its form. Even the shape of the taillights and side mirrors contributes to the vehicle's stability as the air rushes by. And Highlander offers a choice between 2 advanced powertrains. Here you have a gas V6, and here you have the Toyota hybrid system. And now here's the best part of this. The 2020 Highlander Hybrid LE offers 240 horsepower and the model's best-in-class fuel economy ever at an estimated 34 combined MPG, which is a 17% improvement from the previous generation. And you take all of this while delivering the everyday acceleration, power, and responsiveness that buyers don't just expect, but buyers demand. And for the first time ever, we're introducing a 4-wheel drive version of our hybrid powertrain for those in the Sunshine States. Pretty cool. Overall, our powerful 295 horsepower V6 is available with dynamic torque vectoring all-wheel drive with drive mode select for improved agility and capability. What's also important in every single Toyota is Toyota's safety technology. The 2020 Highlander comes standard with our 2nd generation of Toyota Safety Sense, and standard on LE grade and above our blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert. From a connectivity standpoint, we're offering an array of options. Drivers can now enjoy standard Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Amazon Alexa, and Wi-Fi Connect. With all of these changes, we are confident the Highlander will retain its impressive position in the premium crossover segment, which has grown exponentially since the first one rolled out nearly 20 years ago. The key to Highlander's success has been to exceed customers' expectations at every turn. Now, Chief Engineer Saiki-san and his team did a wonderful job developing all these amazing features for future Highlander customers, but it doesn't end there. Because the next important part of the process is when the designers hand it off to the manufacturers. And in this case, to the award-winning Toyota Motor Manufacturing Indiana plant, where more than 5,500 dedicated team members work every day to ensure the highest levels of quality for every single Toyota that they touch. And we believe the most, critical component to bringing this vehicle to life are the phenomenal people who build it. These people are just as amazing and unique as the products you see here today. The 2020 Highlander celebrates the many ways in which we define the word family. So whatever your definition, your crew is uniquely you. So whether it's connecting with your 20 siblings, like Chirno Diallo in assembly, or enjoying a Brady Bunch blend with your wife and her 2 daughters and your 2 sons like Mark Tingley and body welding, or getting your family fix via video chat, like Bethany Brosmer in supply chain, who moved away from her inspiring single mom for a job of a lifetime. These individuals, plus the incredible team back in Indiana, led by plant president Millie Marshall, are responsible for what you hear and see today. And we really couldn't do any of this without all of those teams. So please join me in thanking these members of this great Highlander team. Would you please stand?